Okay, this is the first of the new videos that I'm going to be making for WordPress. I finally realized that my videos may be a little bit outdated, so it's time to definitely make new ones. But first, I'm going to show you how to back up your WordPress database and restore it. This would be used, say, if you want to switch your blog to another host or another domain or whatever you want to do. So, what you need to have up are two tabs. Your HostGator control panel. Now this is the host I use, and this is a cPanel host. I'll put another host that is a cPanel host, and I would definitely choose a cPanel host. cPanel is so much easier to use than anything else. I do use GoDaddy for my my domains, to register my domains, but I do host a couple of regular websites there that are static, but for a WordPress blog, I would definitely go with cPanel. Okay, now we also have the WordPress dashboard. You want that there too. All right. So next, for our first thing you want to do is you have to make sure you have certain plugins in. Okay, let's go to installed plugins, and I'm going to show you the one you need. Okay, you need to have WordPress database backup. Once you have that in and you have that activated, you're going to want to go to Tools, Backup. Okay, you can exclude spam comment, but you're going to want to check all these so that everything saves. A lot of these are plugins and stuff that it's going to save for you, so you don't have to reinstall them. You don't really want to have to do all that again. You want to download them to your computer. Here you can schedule backups, for never, once hourly, twice daily, once weekly. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just showing you this. Okay, the next thing you do is you hit backup now. And it'll show you a progress bar. Now I'm gonna pause this while it does this. It takes about, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's all going to depend on your how much you have. So as soon as this is done, I'll be back. Okay, once it is all backed up, you'll get this box saying where to save it or open it. You don't want to open it, but you want to save it. And then hit OK. Now, if you have your browser set up to ask you where you want to save things, it will do this. And you can choose, I'm going to choose desktop. Now, that's where I saved the last thing, so it was already there. But if you don't have your Firefox browser set up to save where you want it to, then what will happen is it'll save to downloads. So, okay. Save. Okay, now the next thing you want to do after you're done doing that, go back to your you want to go to your new host. And like I said, make sure it's a cPanel host. It's a lot easier. Now, we want to go to PHP My Admin. I just wanted to show you something real quick. Back here at the blog. Sometimes I'm sorry, not sometimes. There is a plugin also called PHP My Admin. Okay, where is it? Oh, maybe I don't have it in here. Well, is that it's because I don't really use it. But there is one called PHP My Admin. I will give you a link to it. Oh, there it is. WordPress PHP My Admin. I don't have it activated yet, so I guess I didn't need to use it. But that lets you go to here directly from your WordPress blog. But it's just as easy to go from your host, because with your host, all you need to do is remember your cPanel password, and then you just can go straight to it. You don't have to put more passwords in to your WordPress. Okay, now when you're in PHP My Admin, you want to go to databases. I'm going to choose the database where your WordPress lives. If you didn't make one yet for your new host that you're switching to, you need to do that now. I mean, before you do this, before you upload your backup, then you want to press import up here. Okay, then you want to browse to the file. Click the file, and then I'm not going to, make sure this right here, SQL radio button is checked, and then you want to hit go. Now I'm not going to hit go because I'm not actually doing this right now. I'm just making this video because somebody asked me how to do this, so that's it. But this is a good thing to know how to do, and also it is a good thing to back up your database from time to time. Now, I didn't have scheduled backups. Oh, yeah, I didn't have scheduled backups, so I probably should go back and do that. And what I can do, because one time I did lose a blog because they didn't have a backup. So it was websocialmarketing.info. It was beautiful. I was working on it for a long time, and I lost it. So let's do that quick. Schedule backups. Let's do once weekly. I think that should be enough. Now it all depends on how much you post, so or how paranoid you are. But I mean, I don't know. I think once weekly would be enough because, well, mainly because I'm addicted to Twitter and I don't blog as much as I should. But I'm working on that. Again, I used to have, God, like almost 10 blogs up, and ended up being too many to post to constantly. But that's a whole other story. Okay, and we'll schedule a backup for once weekly. And there we go. So once a week, it'll back it up, and it'll be in file manager, well, or FTP. It'll be it'll be down here, I believe, WordPress backup.php. I think that's how it goes, but it'll definitely be somewhere in the maybe here. There's WordPress database. It might be in here. I'm not sure, I forget where it is, but anyway, it'll be in your files, so you won't be able to see it, it'll just be there. I mean, you won't be able to see it from your blog, but that's about it. So, and once you hit the go button on your PHP My Admin screen, you just wait a while and then you'll be good to go. So, that's it.